All right, guys, so today is finally the video. We've been off for a little bit, been really busy here. We finally got a chance to finish up the M6. So this is a 2007 BMW M6. This is V10 SMG, 65,000 original miles. Clear title. It's about as good as it gets, really. The tires are all new on it. We put new control arms on it. We put the Dr. Vanos pump on it. We did ACL rod bearings. We did ARP head bolts, L-ring oil pan gasket. We also put a Victor Rines new front main seal in and a new Vanos crankshaft connecting gear while we were there because it did have one tooth broken off of it. This car runs and drives really good. It really is nice when you start out with a car that's low mileage. So you don't have all the issues, all the problems that you do ordinarily. The paint's probably, I don't know, the paint's probably a 9 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. There's a couple little chips here and there, but it's so mild. I'm trying to guard my microphone here, guys, for you. We did not even vac it out. It's just the way it came. We didn't do anything to it. The convertible top all functions correctly. Everything works right, as it should. We were out driving it earlier today, and I cannot say that there's any issue at all, any issue at all with it in the least bit. Everything, the brakes were smooth, everything rides out good. There's no issue at all with anything. So if you guys are looking for a really nice E64, it's a convertible M6, and this body style is from 06 to 2010. If you're looking for this, here it is, black on black. You know, it doesn't get any better than this if this is what you're looking for. I'm trying to think anything else we did to this car. I can't really remember. I'm playing back in my brain here. We did do the Dr. Vanos line on this one also. So everything's done. How long will this car run before it has another issue? 65,000. This car should run, I would say, 165, another 100K on this, where it has any issue with any of the engine stuff. We did put new NGK plugs in it. No, I'm sorry, I take that back. I already had new NGK plugs in it. We took one out, gonna replace it, and it was already all new. We did throttle actuators in this one. I went ahead and put a rebuilt set in it because the ones that were in it weren't necessarily bad, but it was appropriate for 65,000 miles. So it was getting to the point where you needed to have something done with it. And so that's what we did. We just did everything it needed, everything it possibly wanted. And we'll let Philip get the back of the car here for you. All the pipes are all nice and new. This has factory exhaust. The only thing we are missing on this car, it does not have the little pop out for the tow hook. I didn't look a lot through the car. This car does have books with it, two-owner car, if I remember right. I'm trying to remember. But yeah, it's as pristine as she gets, boys. So that's it. If you're interested, I'll put our email down below. It's nathan.youtube@yahoo.com. Email me. What we're looking for this car, we're probably looking for about 22 for it, in that neighborhood. You just cannot buy this for any less with this mileage and to have everything done. So you don't have to worry about doing a bunch of crazy stuff to it. You just get it and drive it. This car with the new Vanos pump and new everything, it should be able to drive home somewhere. I don't trust anything. I ship everything. We don't drive anything. We have our own car hauler. If you're not a million miles away, we might be interested in dropping her off for you. But, you know, that's down the road. But that's going to be it, guys. Next up, we are currently waiting on rod bolts for Dwayne's car. We finally got an engine for that car. Lorenzo, one of the viewers, is dropping his M6 off, but he's also waiting on rod bolts. They're all back ordered. It's looking like probably not till the 21st or 22nd of October we're going to get that stuff in. So we may go and do some Figaro stuff. May pull that engine this coming week on that. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to sort out what parts we got for what time, so we can actually always be working on something. But that's going to be it, guys. That's it for the M6. We labeled this Project Indy. This was an Indianapolis car. No rust. It is really, really nice shape. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. We'll see you later.